What if I told you there's a tiny creature, no bigger than a mouse, that can live longer than a dog, even a cat? A creature that carries deadly viruses, but almost never gets sick. And some of them drink blood. These are bats. And they might hold the secret to living longer. Normally, small animals don't live long. A mouse lives only 2 or 3 years. But bats, some bats can live over 30, even 40 years. That's like a human living for more than 150 years. So how is this even possible? The first secret is flight. Bats are the only mammals that can truly fly. On the ground, small animals are always in danger. But in the sky, bats are free. Fewer predators, fewer threats. And when a species is safer, it doesn't need to live fast and die young. It can evolve to live longer. Now here's something strange. When bats fly, their heart can beat over 1,000 times per minute. That's extremely fast. Normally, this kind of energy would damage the body and speed up aging. But bats don't age faster. They somehow protect themselves from this stress. The real secret is inside their bodies. Every day, cells get damaged. DNA breaks. Mistakes happen. In humans, this damage slowly builds up. That's aging. But bats don't let that happen. Their bodies are constantly repairing damage, fixing DNA before it becomes dangerous. At the same time, their immune system works differently. Bats carry viruses that can kill humans, but they don't get sick. Why? Because they don't overreact. In humans, the immune system can go out of control, causing inflammation that damages the body. Bats avoid this. They fight diseases quietly, without harming themselves. This balance also protects them from cancer. And some bats have another advantage. They can slow their bodies down for months, like pressing a pause button on life. Less activity, less damage, longer life. And then, there are vampire bats. Yes, real vampires. They feed on blood. But even here, nature has given them something special. Their saliva contains chemicals that keep blood from clotting. Scientists are studying this to create medicines for heart disease and strokes. Something that sounds terrifying could actually save human lives. So what does this mean for us? If we learn how bats repair their DNA, control their immune system, and avoid damage, we might slow down aging. Maybe even live longer, healthier lives. Bats may be small, but they could help us solve one of the biggest mysteries of all. Bats live in the dark. They look mysterious, even frightening. But inside them may lie the secret to life itself. The real question is, will we unlock it?